that the thunderstorm was located over Denton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Average 16 miles. Quarter-size hail. Hail damage to locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Lewisville, Flower Mound, Sherman, the Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Gainesville, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Whitesboro, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Prosper, and Salina. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 503. Interstate 35W between mile markers 69 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 466. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 6:28 p.m.